ho, ho, and welcome to our holiday episode of Mixology Monday. I got Lee, and I'm Robbie. Today, we've got an awesome Christmas cocktail for you. Lee, what are we making?
So today we're making the cold brew eggnog.
I like it. All right, so it looks like we're making this in a mixing glass, which is pretty cool.
Stirring it instead of shaking it.
All right, James Bond style.
James Bond style,
nice.
Yeah.
All right, so step one is?
So step one, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of coffee rum, but we are making this for 2 people, so we're gonna add 3 ounces.
3 ounces of coffee rum in the pot. All right, what's next?
Next is 4 ounces per person of cold brew, so we're doing 8.
8 ounces. Already measured out for us. We're using Javeska's cold brew here. Love that company.
And Javeska is the company we get our coffee for our coffee rum from.
Nice. All right, what's next?
Next, we're gonna add 2 ounces per person of eggnog, so 4 ounces of eggnog.
All right, we're filling this thing to the brim. And there we go. All right. That's a pretty looking drink right there. Sorry, I really filled you to the brim. I put a lot of rum in that, but
hey, we need it. It's the holidays.
All right, got that well incorporated. All right, Lee, we've got all that mixed up really well, so I'm just gonna pour it in the glass, right? All right, there you have it, bud.
Yeah.
You know what? It's Christmas. What do you think about some whipped cream on this thing?
Whipped cream sounds great.
Let's do it. And I think you got a nice little garnish
for us. Take it a step further.
Step further?
Step further, yeah. Little shake of cinnamon on there.
I like it.
It smells great.
That looks really good.
All right, so that was our cold brew eggnog.
I hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and other fun things about Muddy River Distillery. Don't forget to come out here and take a tour of our place, and you can find us in your local liquor store. Merry Christmas, Lee.
Merry Christmas,
Cheers,
Robbie.
brother.